Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to add border in Microsoft Word document. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To add border in Microsoft Word document, open Microsoft Word and open the document. Upper left corner you will find a design tab. Click on design tab and here you will find in right the page border. Click on page border. Here select the style and now select width, and you can select here box or shapes or 3D or your custom border. I am selecting box. Now here where it apply to, if you want to apply to whole document, just select whole document, or this section page, first page only, or this section all except first page, as you wish. I am selecting the whole document here and now click on OK. Look, the border is added here. If you want to edit this border, just click on border again, and then you can edit color. And if you want to edit border margin, just click on options here. You can select it 30 on top, 30% on left, bottom 30% on left, and 30% on right, as you wish. Now click on OK. This is the percentage. This is the way you can edit and add border in Microsoft Word document. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.